Hello
Hello
guys.
guys, Kumno Pilong, Paralog, welcome back again. And today we are back again for another Khasi to English translation, like learning. Yeah, we told you we are going to learn Khasi, right? So before we started like directly learning the Khasi words, so we found some difficulties. So we decided to go back and learn the Khasi alphabet so that we will know why does the Khasi language sound different, right? So Subi with us today, and our friend Moib is not here, so he's also curious to learn with us Kasi. So today we'll start learning Kasi, and soon we are coming to Shillong, Meghalaya, guys. So make sure to subscribe, stay tuned because you don't miss our vlog. You have something, tell them Subi, welcome.
Hello everyone. This is Subhi and today we are going to learn Khasi alphabets
Okay,
in
let's
easy and fun way.
okay, ready. Let's go.
Hi everyone, welcome to Khasi Learning Lessons. Please subscribe to receive more
Angry
Subscribe.
Birds.
videos.
Subscribe to her, guys.
Today we are going to learn about the
The
Khasi
Kasi alphabet.
alphabets. There are 23 alphabets, 5
23
vowels
alphabet.
and 18
26
consonants.
is the English one.
A, repeat with
They
me.
say
Ah.
A,
B, repeat
B.
with me.
B,
B. K, repeat
K.
with me.
C is K.
C is K.
D,
D,
D.
D.
A,
A,
A.
A. E is A.
Egg, ek,
Egg.
egg, egg,
Egg.
Yeah.
eng, eng, eng,
And
ash,
H. H is H.
e, e,
I is E.
ye,
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 ye.
j,
J is J.
j,
J.
l,
L. L is
L.
okay.
L.
m,
M.
M.
M is
M.
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 n,
N.
N.
n,
Same N.
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 If it's hard to try, you can put your tongue out by saying n.
N.
O,
U.
o,
O. O is O.
p,
P. P for P.
p, r,
R.
r,
R.
s,
In Arabic also we say R.
s,
S.
t,
T.
t,
T.
u, not
U.
u, it's
U.
u,
U.
w,
In Nepali accent also.
w,
W.
y,
Y.
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 In the
There's no Z.
No Z. Right?
Oh.
There is no Z. But it is not, it's not a, like the pronunciation is similar to English. Only few are different.
Few are different, some letters are not there. In English, there are 23 alphabets. Is here 23?
No, in English 26.
Yeah, in English 26. Here is
Here
23.
23. So they removed some letters.
No
Like
Z.
Q. Q also is not there.
Q.
Q is not there. And some letters in English that supposed to be at the end, they kept it in the beginning.
No, it's like the
Like C. C. Have you seen C? C is not there.
C is not.
C is
there.
not there. C is not there. Yeah. So this letter can help you to pronounce. But what there is some few letters also here. There, I don't. It is like 5 to 6 letters which sound different. The remaining also sound similar to English. So for me, I can say it's easy to. It's not that much difficult to learn Kasi. Like for real, it's not that much difficult because it's not like other language like Hindi, Telugu, or Arabic, where there are alphabetic letter. They are totally different than the English. See, this one is just similar like English. It is like English, but different in sound only, just little different, right? What about the Kasi? I mean the Nepali.
It has letters, Devanagari letters.
The letters in which Sanskrit.
So that's not Sanskrit. That Devanagari script, same like Sanskrit.
So see how different it is. So this is gonna be hard for someone even to read it, right? But for me, like I don't know Khasi, so we
You
are
can
able.
read, but you won't be able to understand the meaning of Khasi
For
Khasi.
me, you think I can read your alphabet?
No, no.
Yeah, but now I can read the Khasi alphabet. But for them, they cannot even read the Arabic. So guys, Arabic you cannot able to read it because it's written in Arabic. Nepali is difficult. So I'm saying in conclusion, it's not that much difficult to learn Khasi. So you can tell me what do you think. Thank you so much, guys. We are going to the next video. Till next time, make sure to subscribe, guys. This video only is just for our own information. Next time we will learn the I mean the numbers. We'll go to the numbers. Thank you so much. Bye.